Another tool that you might have noticed while doing dimension is when I click on any of the dimensions, I get this 4 arrows, right? So I click it, you can get this small tool which indicates 4 arrows and the smart dimension icon. So what it does is, if you hover over it, you'll get dimension palette where you have options to set your tolerance type. So this one is for tolerance type, this is for unit precision, this one is for tolerance precision, tolerance modifier, and styles. So inside styles, you can pretty much save your own style. So maybe you are working for a particular company and they have a particular dimension style, you can pretty much save it over here, and you don't have to do all the dimension type over and over again. You can just utilize the style right from here, and it's very much convenient. Tolerance modifier works like that, and then tolerance, this one is tolerance precision, so you can change your precision if you haven't done it in the dimension properties. You can also set your unit precision, and you can also change the type of tolerance which you have taken. Also, you can add parenthesis, you can center dimension, you can use inspection, and offset text, horizontal justification, or you can go for any other left or right justification. All right, you can also change the values from here. The tolerance that you have indicated for your dimension, you can always come and change it from here as well. So this is a pretty handy tool inside SOLIDWORKS drawing, and to use this, all you have to do is just left click and you'll be given the dimension palette. All right, I hope you guys like it, and if you have any doubts with this one, feel free to comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace out.